In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Evernote notes. Whether you want to secure sensitive information or simply add an extra layer of privacy, this guide will show you how to encrypt specific portions of text within your notes. Please note, we're talking about encrypting text sections, not entire notes or attachments. Imagine you're working with a personal note that contains some private information. You've written out your thoughts or collected important data that you need to keep safe. The first thing you need to do is select the text section you wish to lock. Simply use your cursor to highlight the desired text. By doing this, you're isolating the exact portion that you want to protect. Once you've highlighted the text, you'll want to right-click with your mouse. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. Look through the list until you find the one that says Encrypt Selected Text. Clicking this will initiate the encryption process, guiding you into a more secure area of your workflow. After choosing to encrypt your text, you'll be prompted to set a passphrase. This step is crucial, as this passphrase will be the key to accessing your encrypted information in the future. I recommend choosing something that's both strong and memorable. Remember, it's your digital lock, so make sure it's as robust as possible while still being something you can recall when needed. There is an option to allow Evernote to remember your passphrase until you quit the application. This is particularly useful if you're working on an ongoing project and need access to your encrypted text multiple times within a single session. However, keep in mind that this is a temporary convenience for your ongoing session. Once you exit Evernote, you'll need to re-enter the passphrase to view your secured text the next time you open the application. It's important to remember a few significant points as we go through this. First, encrypting the text doesn't secure entire notes. What you're locking is a specific group of text within a note, meaning images, files, or tables remain unaffected. So, if you're including any entire documents or visual elements, make sure you handle the encryption of those separately if necessary. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your most sensitive Evernote information is safeguarded. As you continue to use this feature, remember to store your passphrases securely. This will enable you to make the most of one of Evernote's savvy privacy features while keeping your information at your fingertips and under lock and key. Thank you for tuning in, and consider subscribing for more practical tips on using Evernote effectively.